Hey guys, and welcome back to World War II Solitaire board game channel for another unboxing. Yeah, I'm gonna keep calling them an unboxing, even though it's technically an unbagging. So this is an expansion pack for target for today: Axis fighter aircraft 1942 to 1945. So with this we get a bunch of counters, and let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, I can feel them, they're ready to fly because they're almost popping out as I touch them. There we go. So we get a few pages of rules. And what's looking like some more charts. And that's it. This expansion kit adds more enemy fighters for target for today. Represents the countries of Italy, Hungary, and Romania. If the player is flying mission with the 15th Air Force, he will have a chance to shoot down fighters from these countries. This expansion does not affect the 8th Air Force missions. All current rules for target for today remain in effect, except those noted below. So then we see it's just a few of them exceptions. And here I'll show you, if you want to read this, pause the video. And it's Italy, Hungary, and again Romania. And then we have our beautiful one-sided counters. Also says the nation on them. So here we have Italian ones, and we have from Hungary and from Romania. And that's it, guys. Not anything to it more than that. Looking forward to trying this game out. I still haven't played the base game, but once I do, I look forward to adding this. I always like optional rules and additional game modules for the games that I play. If you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to help a little bit extra, you can become a supporting member of the channel for only $2.99 US a month. You can also do a one-time donation through PayPal or use YouTube Super Thanks. You'll find my PayPal address in the video description. Again, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.